Yeah, we're recording right now. We got 13 minutes. God damn!
Damn!
What the fuck? That motherfucker was big. Hey, that shit look like a mine. I mean, it blew up like a mine straight up, man. A motherfucker go over that shit, that's a wrap. God damn!
Watch what I say.
That could have been us. That's the good shit. Reality check, man. Motherfucker's still putting it out, dude. You know? Well, I guess some chameleons work. Because we pretty much they went across, you know? Because you couldn't see unless they went over it. Shit, monster. Yeah, man, there was no tripwire, so I would have got now. No pressure plate, Christmas lights, all that shit. I'm recording right now. That wasn't yeah, that was an IED we came across, and EOD came and blew it up. That could have been us going over that, so I guess we're lucky. Yeah, I got it.